She's absolutely soaked, bless her. From the back. But that stuff hurts. She's sitting underneath there. She obviously hasn't got a seat.
Is that the woman?
Yeah, Ron, tell her to come round.